So here's how to watch YouTube videos while using other apps. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your mobile settings. Once you are logged into your mobile settings, now here you have to scroll down and go to the picture-in-picture mode. However, if you are not able to view this option, you can simply search it by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. You have to search for this app. After that, you have to click on it. Now at this interface, you have to click on it again. Now here you have to make sure that this feature is enabled for YouTube as well. Once you enable this option for YouTube, now you will be able to use apps while watching your YouTube videos. One more important setting you have to do is you have to go to your YouTube app, then go to your account, then click on the settings here. Once you click on the settings, now here you have to go to the general settings. After that, here you will be able to see PIP or picture-in-picture mode. However, if you are not able to view this option here, you have to go to your App Store or Play Store to update your YouTube app. Once you view this option here, you have to enable this option. So that's how to watch YouTube videos and use other apps.